How to log into a Skype account? First of all, download and install the Skype app on your device. Make sure you have created account on it and then launch the Skype applications on your device. You will land on the welcome screen of Skype where you need to enter your Skype name, email or phone to continue to log into your account. Now tap the next button at the bottom of the screen. Now enter the password. If you forget the password, tap forget password link, or you can also enter a code that will be sent to our email address. Now tap sign in button. Now if you wish to connect with your contacts, you can tap continue button and make sure to allow Skype to access your contacts. Tap finish button and you need to tap while using the app to allow Skype to record audio. Once you grant all the permissions, you will land on the home screen of Skype where you can easily see at the top our name. That means we have successfully logged into our Skype account. Hope that this video helped you. If you are new to our channel, hit the like button and subscribe for more tech and tips videos. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.